You taste it, and it feels so right for you.
And I meant to fucking grab that mother.
Oh, God! Oh my God! What happened? Is everybody all right?
Alexa, Garmin, save video.
Oh. Are they okay?
What the fuck happened?
I don't know.
For NPR News, I'm Ari Snyder.
From Washington, this is NPR News.
God damn. That was horrible. Go around, go go around.
I saw they're coming. I saw they're coming.
Just go. That's fucking crazy.
I saw they're coming.
Says, sir.
Oh, here comes someone who's probably gonna cut me off.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yes. Both of them.
Yep.
Why are you pulling me over? Benefit of the doubt. Please slow down and be careful for me, okay? Have a good one.
Sir? Have a great day.
All right, thank you, sir.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.